Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate square root of a given number. So let's start typing. Num is equals to int bracket input, then again bracket square root of, then bracket close. Next line, num2 is equals to int, then bracket num double asterisk for multiplication, then 0.5 bracket close. Print, because we have to print the square root of a given number, bracket square root of a given number, or whatever you want to add you can, is equals to, and then you have to add num2 bracket close. Now use Ctrl plus S to save. Now use F5 to run it. Let's type 8. So we know that the square root of 8 is 2. So here our answer. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you.